Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 3. We'll be present about general problems and research problem. Okay, the first material will be present by me. The definition of common or general problems and research problem. According to Surya Brata in Kyoto 2015, the problem is the gap between expectation and reality, between needs and what is available, between what should be and what is. And next, in Nugrahani 2014, a problem is a condition that originates in the relationship between two or more factors that produce a situation or raise a question mark that requires effort to find the answer. According to Suryana 2010, a problem is a condition that threatens, disturbs, hinders, makes it difficult, which shows a gap between expectation and reality. A problem is any situation where a gap exists between the actual and the desired in the ideal state. So we can conclude that problem is the mismatch between what is expected and reality. Okay, the next material will be explained by Latifah Hanum. Latifah Hanum, time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. Okay, I will explain about definition of research problems. According to Ibnu Hajar, 2021 defines a research problem as a condition that requires discussion, solving, information, or decision. In research, technically, the problem implies the possibility of conducting an empirical investigation, namely data collection and analysis. According to Sudarwan Danim and Abu Bakar 2021, put forward the definition of research problems with a little emphasis on the perception of researchers as follows. The problem is a gap or discontinuity between reality and expectation. In the researcher's perception, the problem is a puzzle that must be answered, in which the researchers gathers or hypothesizes that symptom arises due to the background or foreground, either singular or complex. According to Surya Brata 2011, the problem of research is the occurrence of something that is not in accordance with existing provision. Problem will arise if there is a gap between Dasolen, what should be, and Dasein, what happens in reality. There is a difference between expectation and reality. So this research will question the gap, abnormality, or problem. So the result problem is a discrepancy between what is expected and the reality that must be answered, resolved, or solved, which requires discussion, resolution, information, or decision, and requires a research to find the answer. Okay, that's all from me. I give it back to moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Latifah Hanum. The next material will be presented by Rizky Meliza. Rizky Meliza, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. I will explain about characteristic of research problem. The problem of adequate research can be used as a research problem to study according to Amir 2009 has the following characteristic. First, reflect a perceived need quite important and interesting, especially for the research. That is, the problem to be studied is really important and interesting to study, because not all the problem is interesting. It is important to be researched. And second, researchers have the ability and expertise in the field to be the research problem with its expertise and extensive knowledge the field to be studied. It can be expected the result of the research, the quality and useful, and can be expressed carefully. And third, the problem may not be hypothesis. This means that the problems to be studied is not a problem fabricated or contrived. So that to be a problem, the actual problem is a problem that is supported with the fact that really the real are the real. And fourth, the problem should lead the hypothesis practice that can be tested. In a case of this means that the issues will be discussed should be given the answer state the based on the science there are the result of previous studies. And last one must be relevant to the research topic or the title of study. Background behind the fact that there is can be create, write, or research. Can be investigate the means available data, there is a tool of analysis, and there is a theory that support. Okay, next, general problem characteristic. First, it will make someone feeling worried, confused, and difficulty. And second, it will make someone trying to formulate a problem because it wants to be solved. And third, it will make someone develop an idea for get a solution, the best truth reasoning. And fourth, it will make someone draw conclusion that supported by facts or evidence. And the last one is it will make someone trying to test hypothesis in a way collecting data. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Give it back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Resti Meliza. The next material will be explained by Ulfa. Ulfa, time is yours.
Thanks to moderator. I'll explain about forms of research problems. The first is problems of description. Problem of description is a problem related to the question of the existence of independent variables, either one or more variables. So it's not comparing and looking for a relationship. And then problems of comparative is a research problem that is comparing the existence of one or more variables into or more different samples. And the last, problems of associative is a research question that is a relationship between two or more variables. And associative problem is a research question that is a relationship between two or more variable which consists of a symmetrical relationship is a relationship between two or more variables that coincidentally appear together, not a causal or interactive relationship. Example is there are relationship between exercise habits and test performance, and then causal relationship. Example, is there any effect of place on reducing arteries, pain in the artery, and then the last, interactive relationship or relationship that influence each other. Okay, that's all. Back to moderator.
Thank you, Ulfa. The last material will be presented by Diki. To Diki, time is yours.
Thanks to the moderator, I'm Diki Kurniawan and will explain about background of common problems. Next slide, please. First is background of common problem is the information that systematically arranged with interesting phenomena and also problematic problems to be studied, which we can say that background research problem contains information about a problem or opportunity that can be questioned so that they can be followed up through the research, including background from Hussein Umar 2001. And also problem background explain why a research is carried out and what's to be achieved or known from the implementations of the research. And also facts and supporting data must be included. From Dermawan Kusumo in 2000. Next slide, please. Background of research problem. From background of research problem is first is the very important part of the compiling science writing, either in the form of the paper or thesis, and also where the background research problem fully explain the topic or subject area of the research itself, which means that the research problem we choose and why we conduct research on this topic and problems. From Bridgestone in 2008, and also The background is also intent to explain the reasons why the problem in the research want to be the investigate, and which is the importance of the problem and also the approach used to solve the problem, both of theoretical and also practical points of view, which also help a clear picture of science thinking. By presenting the problem and commenting some of the relevant literature, and can lead to the reader to the logical thinking. Thank you. That's all for me. Back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Diki. That's all presentation from our group. If you have a question, please type your name in the chat box. Okay, if there's no one, that's all from our group. Thank you for your attention and so sorry to our mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.